Alrighty. I'm not going to do an in-depth put in. This is my Walther, empty, magazine out, set up. This is my Walther Q5 match steel frame. Just put in the trigger. It is, can I say, awesome. Watch this. This is a dynamic trigger from Walther. That's it. The reset's unreal. I can't do it because I'm trying to do this with my hand. Got a piece of wood on there where I just cocked the gun. This is one of the best shooting handguns I've got. I picked up a Beretta. I've got a video on there, but I just installed this trigger right here, guys. The simplest thing in the world to do. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but because YouTube has a hissy fit if you start taking guns apart and putting them back together and doing all this other crap. Hey, you can't do that. Well, you're going to create a terrorist. You're not going to create a terrorist. You got to be able to do these things. YouTube has always been a platform where you could go and actually do something and see something done and get an in-depth review. If you want to know exactly how to do it and you're not sure, go to this guy right here and he'll show you exactly how to do it. It was 3 years ago, so now it's not a big deal. This guy's awesome with this gun. Yeah, he's a match shooter, and he was one of the biggest influencers on me as far as getting this. I've got other Walthers, but this steel frame I didn't have. It's on sale at Bass Pro. It's like $700 off down here now. I got it for, I don't know how much, $1,200 I think, $15. I'm not sure. But I've been waiting on it to go on sale. But I changed the trigger from the blue trigger, which is on this one. You can see that's why it comes, to this match trigger. Now, this is not cheap. It's 170 bucks. But you get the trigger and the sear. Simple drop in, change a couple of springs, push out a couple of pins. If I can do it, anybody can do it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Frosty. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. Beautiful gun. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with this gun. Comes this way, comes with a magwell. It's ready to go. It is a great handling gun. Thanks for watching.